figures which are shaped like seagulls. The term cricket bats failed to be translated as we would them, since their figures will look somewhat like wings. In fact, short course here, and the reason.
Alright, so we're ready. Trainers ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a time for the first building and Rocky wins. Trainer Tia, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Well, then, we want another race.
Oh, sure.
That's jellyfish. Yeah, what's that? What's that? Wow, asa si Levi? Magbitawan. Huwag mo akong ibitawan. Malay ko.
Labas na yan. Maria, palabas na yan.
Jellyfish! Lapit pa nga si Liam.
Si ate ah.
One. Sapa? Pangat na kulay. Siyempre. One, two. Bang! One. Wait lang, huwag mo siyempre ka. One, two. Liam! Kuya! 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 Liam!
Uy, ilan ang
Yan pala, naka-Superman ka.
Si Amria! Si Amria! Si Amria! Wow! Fourth!
Bye-bye.
Ano yan?
Halika na din. Ready daw.
Heavy.
Ready. Teka na.
Ito, sabi ng turtle. Ito, sabi ng turtle. Hayo. Favorite animal.
Hello, turtle. What are you doing? Hello, turtle. Say, hello, turtle.
Hello, Snappy Turtle! Oh! Snap! 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 Snap!
Ano sabi na ito?
Sabi ng turtle?
Snap! 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 Oh, what are you doing?
Maring oh. Spider oh.
Takot siya dyan.
Stop! Stop!
Maring oh. Look. Ito ang scary. Spider. Wow, hawakan kay Spider-Man.
It's not a spider. It's Choco Golden Tarantula.
Ay, you're so scared. Hawakan kita para di ka mag-scared. Come here. Whoa, itsy bitsy spider.
Hello, spider.
Do you know? Spider-Man. Pero laki oh. Scary. Artista ka. Oh, ganda. Ay, naantok siya oh. Gugutom na siya.
Perfect. No, biggest. Biggest.
Yeah, biscuit din yan. One. Yum. 1, 2, 3. Penguin. Let's Pwede. Dali. Ayun yung penguin ba yun? Ayun, ano ko?
Say hello, penguin.
Hello, penguin.
Say hello.
Hello.
Penguins.
Lots of penguins.
Galing ng ano nila, no? Hey!
Penguin. Penguin.
Gatondore! Gatondore mo!
Napadayaw.
Hi, penguin!
Napatayin, napadayaw. Yan, matawin.
Ay, nasyasitahan natin yung
Naman
Ay, sinusundan niya yung hawak mo. Hindi nang sarado na ang most na sila.
Ayaw niya wakan. Hello.
Hello!
Bakit papa? Penguin. Parang pangong pa. Napadayaw.
Ayun, hindi pa na.
Gusto nga niya tumadog. Matawid. Jump.
Nakakatawa, parang mad. Parang mad yan.
Jump. Parang bato.
Meron silang brace.
jump, jump. Ang tagal, ang tagal.
Tonto sa Mario. Tantawa! Hello, penguin! Ay, napupunta sa kanila. Wow! 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 Merry Christmas! Come here! Pretty! 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 Mawawala ka! Saan ka napupunta? Andun sila tita ya, oh! Pretty! Andun sila tita ya, oh! Elsa! Let it go!
Kanta ka, let it go.
Wow! Ay, wow! One, two. Indian sila dyan. One,
Tsaka Levi. Camera, Levi, camera. Camera, cellphone, cellphone. Eyes, cellphone, eyes. Ala, cellphone ng eyes.
two, three. Bye! Ano? Bye! Bye! Kakain tayo! Ano? Hi, Bob.
Hindi ulan.
Are you happy? Alam, sasayaw na naman siya. Ano taas damit mo? Wario! For you! Ay, na-fish na ang ring. Daming fish. Ay, na. Oh, wait lang. Dito ka lang. Hawak lang, hawak lang. Ay, na siya. Wow! Ang laki! Ayan nga, ang laki ng fish. Ano ang sasabi mo? Ay, si Kuya. Ay, wow! Fish. What's that? Laki! Ayun po. Ay, di ba may ganyan kayo ni Mami? Di ba may ganyan kayo ni Mami? Ano sabi mo? Ay na, tingnan mo na. Wow. mo nun? Anong kulay ng fish?
Sa akin, madami.
Madami. What color? What color?
Colors ka fish.
Ayun!
Color?
This.
Yellow. What
And
else?
Look. Star. Star.
Good day, everyone. As mentioned, the Dalawa Sigat is one of the main attractions of Ambrose. You may observe a few species that are usually found in They are highly adapted
Ano?
damaging fishing practices
Anong iyo baboy?
human expansion and development. As our understanding of coral rely on corals as a source of the effect of the human population of marine animals. Additional activities like fish spa,
Dito ka, mawawala ka. Kaya ano dito?
Pretty, bye!
Nemo! It's Finding Nemo! Finding Nemo! What does that mean? I know what to do.
Hello, fish! Three!
Mission Impossible!
Oh, three! Smile. 1, 2, 3, Liam! Ayun. 1, 2, 3! Liam! Wait lang, paulan. 1, 2, 3! Wala. Sit down. Safe yan. Sige na, sit down. Wow! Takot kayo. Pare-parehas kayo takot ha. Hindi ganoon. Huwag mo ipupul. Lagay mo sa mouth.
Mas mo ganun.
Nice stingray. Lagay mo sa bibig. Hindi na lang nakukuha. Lagay mo sa mouth.
Ayun na, ayun na. Wala naman yung mouth nila sa ilalim. Paano?
Kaya nga pag ganun daw eh.
Pwede nga, mag-wash kayo ng hands. Ganun. Release, and touch.
So jelly. Hello, shark.
No, stingrays. Stingrays only.
Shark naman.
Yours only?
Stop it!
Babasay ka na.
Touch ko na siya.
Wala na.
Layo na. Ayun, shark.
Hindi lumalapit eh.
Let's go to stingray.
It's crazy. Don't touch it.
It's still crazy.
Touch it. Touch it.
Stingray.
I'm scared of a stingray.
You're scared? Okay ka na?
Yes. There's a big star.
Ayun na, ano, shark, ang laki oh.
Shark.
Ayun na, dapat hinawakan mo yung shark, malaki oh. Laki.